Hey everyone, this Assassin Gaming here. Today's video, as you can see, we're not actually in survival games. It is the Skooky Build server Micro Battles, and if you guys joining here, like on this server is really bad because there's a lot of people joining in it, but this is the only server that has a Micro Battles game, the mini game. If you don't know what Micro Battle is, there's red, green, yellow, blue, and each of those has three teams, and you can buy a kit. If you win one game, you're gonna earn 6 coins. So you can buy a kit. The kits are the arrow, which is you can kill your team like this. I don't even know if. Well, I have the arrow kit. Well, I think I have the knockback. Yeah, I have the knockback one. So, yep, and there's supplies, which is you need to do because you can just go. So you can build through the others like bases, and you can go up in your building stuff like that. Somebody's shooting at me, but this guy have the knockback, man. Gee, run away, yeah, run. Bye. Okay, now we're winning. We're alive. 3 of us is still alive, so good. It's good. Oh gosh, this guy's an hacker. He looked like an hacker, but I'm gonna kill him then. Yeah, we won. That's that's gonna be only in our video, guys, because it really takes a long time to get in a game. And so don't worry, guys, I'll put the IP in the description down below so you can guys play with me, and I will make a series on this Micro Battles MCPE, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. Bye.